Welcome to the Waikiki Beach Marriott Resort and Spa. This is room 3354. Come on in. Immediately to your left is a closet that has a sliding barn door. To your right, you have a sliding door for the bathroom. You've got a nice tub shower combo, a great vanity, and a full-length mirror. This particular room has 2 double beds. You've got a coffee station, and there is a mini fridge in that door. You've got a lovely desk in here. You've got a little corner seat. It comes equipped with a balcony and a fabulous view of Diamond Head immediately in front, and the beach and the ocean to the right. So this is 3354 at the Waikiki Beach Marriott Resort and Spa.